Hakabayday bagajing penbena Menteri Rambak Kejala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ban Pynlong ya ke konsert ke Baheh. Bala usyam bakane kan long kum Jingïakob Kejala Meghalaya. Conrad kongkal sangma ulong bakalong Jingïakob ke Koit Khiah ban kentiu ke tan stay lam ingi kum kejaka jong ketem kaput. Ulong bami ya kane kum Jingïakob. Nrai habro hi ki persyang ban kentiu ke tan bro ko wei kum kejaka jong ketem kaput. Conrad kongkal sangma ulong bakathan stay lam mingi kide kejaka jong ketem kaput baru kermen babro ki jela kathan stay lam mingi kinyat lang ha kabantau gi benta jong Jingïakob ke Koit Khiah bat ban kentiu ketem kaput bat ban penmi ya kayo kokot lengba kita masa jong ketem kaput da kebenta kari baru ko wei bat ha kaperthai.
No, it's a healthy competition. I always feel that positive competitiveness is very, very important, and it is promoting the Northeast as a destination, and it's a great thing. Meghalaya and Shillong will always have its niche. There are certain factors that are different when it comes to Shillong and comes to Meghalaya, and certain aspects different when it comes to Assam and Guwahati. So each state, each region, each city has got its own uniqueness and own competitive advantage, and I think playing around those competitive advantages is what is should be the strategy of every state government, and therefore we don't see it as a competition. I think overall it is promoting the region as a whole as a destination for music. We have always said that Northeast region is a music destination, and we welcome this move, and we hope that all the Northeast states move forward together in creating a very, very healthy area and competition and promote music and concert economy for the entire nation and for the world.